Last night, the US dollar index sank sharply due to the statements of regulators about the need to stop vaccination with one of the drugs. It affected other currencies that trade against the greenback as well, so the yen and the Aussie incurred losses too. Let's figure out what's happening. As we can see on the chart, the US dollar index has significantly decreased since yesterday evening. A decline in the quotes came as a surprise to market participants. US federal health agencies recommended pausing the use of Johnson & Johnson's vaccine after several people developed a rare blood-clotting disorder. Notably, more than 7 million people have been already vaccinated by this drug. After the temporary prohibition of one of the drugs, experts fear that the pace of vaccination may slow down considerably. It has already had a negative impact on the US dollar index and Wall Street. Since yesterday, the US dollar has fallen to 91.70 from 92.20. In the near future, the greenback is likely to be trading in the range from 91.60 to 92.00. Overall, the market reaction was unpredictable. For this reason, we continue to monitor how events are unfolding. Perhaps Jerome Powell's speech scheduled for this evening will change market sentiment. The dollar-yen pair is now trying to maintain its position. The US dollar index lost 0.27% yesterday. The US stock indexes closed mixed. For example, the Dow fell by 0.2%, while the S&P 500 index managed to gain slightly. Today, in the Asian session, the Nikkei index declined and the S&P and ASX 200 added 0.5%. Apparently, market uncertainty has also dominated the Asian session. Currently, the pair is unlikely to approach the range of 108.40 and 109.37. If the pair consolidates below the 108.40 level, it may reach the target level of 107.50. If it fixes above 109.37, it may well rise to the 110.38 level. Yet, any changes can trigger a rebound of the pair, so it's recommended to take a wait-and-see approach. The Australian dollar grew yesterday along with the euro and the pound sterling, although judging by the technical analysis, the Aussie has not shown signs of an upward movement as clearly as the euro or the pound sterling. Today, it's consolidating at 0.7675, which signals the possibility of entering the upward channel. It's better to wait a few more hours. If the quote maintains its current level, it's recommended to open long positions. The trajectory of the Aussie will largely depend on the movement of the US dollar index, as well as on Australia employment change data for March. However, we will learn more about it only tomorrow. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.